Okay, hi, this is Bailey's Monster Trucks, and this is the collection, our whole collection of monster trucks that he has. Alright, let's begin with the first row. We have Grinder, King Bling, Cyborg, Iron Outlaw, his newer truck, Bad Habit, Power Forward, Rap Attack, Wild Hair, Shattered, Gunslinger, Bounty Hunter. We have two Bounty Hunters, I think. Junkyard Dog, High Maintenance or Little Miss Dangerous, Captain's Curse,
They're the same type of car that's free.
and then we have Scarlet Bandit, Time Flies, Monster Mutt, Monster Mutt Dalmatian, Titus, Devastator, an older truck, Primeval. I don't think Primeval's real, but we have him. U.S. Air Force Afterburner, Full Bore. We have two Airborne Rangers, his newer truck and his older one, which I love the newer truck. It looks cool. We have two Gravediggers. One is his 25th anniversary, which I like both of those. Utter Madness, which is not real. He's also a Hot Wheels, but yeah. Brutus, Sudden Impact, Destroyer, Virginia Giant, Predator, Stone Crusher. The newest one we have is Iron Man. He just got him a couple days ago.
Yeah.
Super Trucker. We have King Crunch right there.
The broker.
The Broker. The Blue Avenger.
He looks sweet.
High Roller. He's an old truck. Backwards Bob. Bounty Hunter. And we have two Utter Madness. I don't know why. Batmobile.
One of them came with Hot Wheels.
Yeah. Bounty Hunter. Reptoid.
Hey, there's our second bounty hunter.
Annihilator. Arachnophobia, the newer version. Martial Law. Bulldozer, a real old version. Excalibur. Bad News Travels Fast. Scarlet Bandit. Wild Thing. War Wizard. Maximum Destruction. Pillage Idiot. Nitro Circus. That's, what's the name?
That's
Bone Shaker. Yeah, Bone Shaker. Avenger. Donut Patrol. He's a newer truck.
He's not real.
The Beast. World Finals. I don't
Not
think.
real.
Yeah, World Finals not real. El Toro Loco.
He's missing his horns.
The Felon. Taz. Great Bite.
I don't think he's real.
Lone Eagle. World.
Finals.
Yeah, another World Finals truck. We have two of them.
Yeah.
These came with other
They
monster
just
trucks.
look real.
Driving.
Tag.
Driving School.
Not real.
This is the Donatello version of the TMNT trucks, but we have him. And then we have Cowboy.
And is that all?
Yeah.
Wait, let's show those.
And there's the bigger cars we have. We have the Gravedigger, Ninja Blade. We have a bigger Bone Shaker right there. Over here we have a big Jurassic Attack one, Hot Wheels, the Blue Avenger Rev'em kind of idea, and then Chill Out, a real
You
old
might
one.
not know him. And should we show him the books?
Yeah, there's our books from over the shows.
2011, 2010, and 2009.
We have a lot more, we just lost them.
Yeah, we have a lot more books. And we lost a lot more of our monster trucks. Like
All right.
they're in the basement. So.
Say bye, Bay.
Bye. Bye, everybody. That's our collection. And you might not have as much.